Hi folks, it's been a while since I made a video about routers. However, I was at a hardware store the other day and when looking at the specials table there were router bits that had been reduced to clear. I couldn't walk away from these bargains, so I thought I would share them with you here. The T42 is a 2-flute core box bit on a 1/4 inch shank. This bit produces a 5/8 inch or 15.9mm semicircle groove. Some use cases here would be finger pulls, sign making and drain grooves on cutting boards. The recommended retail for this bit is $44.95. It was marked at $38.95 but has been reduced to $22, a 44% saving of $16.95. The TPS8B1 is a 2-flute panel door bit on a 1/4 inch shank. This panel door bit creates a curved pattern along with creating a groove for the panel. Obvious uses here are for making panel doors, so quite a specific use bit. The recommended retail for this bit is $113.22. It was marked at $80.75 but it has been reduced to $20, a 75% saving of $60.75. The TSH8024B is a flush trimming bit with a down shear on a 1/2 inch shank. The bottom bearing on this bit allows you to run the bit along the edge of a workpiece and have the height of it trimmed flush. Useful for finishing the edges of laminated tops. The recommended retail for this bit is $52.12. It was marked at $53.50 but has been reduced to $25, a 53% saving of $28.50. The TX512 is a 2-flute extended routing over bit on a 1/2 inch shank. This bit is used for rounding over edges in areas where a bearing is not required. It can be used to make decorative edges or to plunge completely over the material. This would be ideal on the router table where the working piece could be guided along the fence to make a rounded square edge. The recommended retail for this bit is $78.84. It was marked at $63.45 but has been reduced to $20, a 68% saving of $43.45. The T612B is a 2-flute beating bit with ball bearing guide on a 1/2 inch shank. It has a smaller bearing that leaves a 1/16 edge bead, great for making pattern edges. The recommended retail for this bit is $62.95. It was marked at $44.95 but has been reduced to $20, a 56% saving of $24.95. The TB4 is a bearing with an outer diameter of 3/4 inch and an internal diameter of 1/2 inch. Bearings are used for many purposes on bits and can be added to change the pattern or use of the bit. The recommended retail for these are $19.68. It was marked at $12.95 but has been reduced to $5, a 61% saving of $7.95. There were 4 of these, so I snatched them all up. You never know when you'll need a bearing. So my total spendings was $127. If I had purchased them at the mark price, they would have cost me $333.40, a 62% saving of $206.40. If I had purchased them online at the retail price, they would have cost me $430.77, a saving of 71% of $303.77, not including shipping. Was it worth it? I'll only know when I decide to use them one day in a project. However, knowing I have them only encourages my brain to come up with ideas on how to use them. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you next time. Bye!